Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can host your own website on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my dashboard, and to host your website, you're going to need a couple of different things. Now, once you create an account, you can create a website, which will have the free version. However, that will be very limited in what you can do on WordPress, and that is kind of not what you want. Now, to build your site in full, what I do recommend you get is you need to get the business plan at least, which is $25 a month, or it's $300 per year. So get that. It's going to unlock a lot of potential and a lot of useful tools. So once you get that, you should also get your domain. And the way that you can get your domain, you can go into hosting and go into domains. And once you're here, you can just click get a domain or add a new domain, and you get a free 1 year domain registration with any annual paid plan. So at least $300 per year. So you just need a annual plan to get one for free, or you can just do a monthly subscription and then add a new domain. You can search for a domain or use a domain you already own. If you search for a domain, you can get whichever of these domains you best like. As you can see, .com domains are preferable, so I would recommend you select them so that your website gets the most traffic. And once you select that, then you just need to, host the domain. And once you have the domain, that is pretty much it. You can also go to your overview on your hosting and see everything else, which I'm not going to do. But yeah, once you're done with that, you can then go ahead and actually launch your site. I seem to have forgotten where the actual launch site option is. However, yeah, that should be pretty much it. Once you locate your launch site option, just click on launch. As you can see, I have the option over here. So as you can see, my site is live, and that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.